Do you want to know how you can log into your Levitate AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Levitate AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser in your PC, go to the Google search bar to search for Levitate AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Levitate AI. Go ahead and fill the boxes over here with your login information, just like your email address and password. Write your email address in this box over here and then write down your password in this box over here. After you write down the email address and the password associated with your Levitate AI account, go ahead and click sign in. This way, you can successfully sign in to your Levitate AI account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and then write down your email address over here and then click send. This way, a mail will be sent to you by Levitate from which you can verify your account and then you can reset your password. So, if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click sign up, which is over here, and then you can create a Levitate AI account for yourself today. This was a video on how you can log into your Levitate AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.